Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2015 Holden Captiva 7 LTZ, stock reference number 5499. The shape runs from the first month 2011 through to the 6th month 2018. It has a Z22D1, 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. Z22D1, 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the radiator grille, right hand headlight, right hand fog light, left hand fog light, left hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, left front 19-inch factory alloy mag with a ball tyre, left front door has 3 small dents, left rear door has no damage, left rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left hand tail light, tailgate has 3 small dents, factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module, right hand tail light, right rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, both right hand doors appear to have no damage, right power door mirror, right guard no damage, and a right front 19-inch factory alloy mag with a ball tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic type console, electric handbrake type, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, sat nav display unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder and sunroof type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster.